I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms, from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis, and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade, stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Here with autonomous trading. So today this company opened at $29, okay? So we immediately downgraded this to junk, all right? So externally simple, this is typical. I already informed people about it. In fact, I gave completely free on the case of Hertz, on the case of Genius Brands and so on. So junk open bell 28.70. All right, this is typical of everyone, the Robinhood scammers chasing momentum. On the blog you'll find several picks, not only the case of Genius Brands or Hertz, several others, Cheesepeak Energy and so on. Okay, so very simple. Thank you.